Hello, my dear friends. This is Mikhail Geyman from Geyman Consulting at Geymans.com. Let's talk about cashback versus air miles. And I want to show you the card that I have received when I just came to Canada. They gave me such a choice, cashback or air miles. Those people who are not planning to travel so much choose cashback. Those who are going to get free air miles and travel far, far away, once in a while, they get air miles. But I want to show you some cards right now. This card is an IKEA card. Just some of their products will be cheaper for you if you present it. This card, Canadian Tire card, collects some money back from every purchase you make in their store. Sometimes stores unite to get 13 different labels on one card. And this card, I already showed it to you, is for every purchase you make with it, giving you 1% of cashback from every purchase. What if you had on top of it one more cashback? And this cashback is not just for 1%. Sometimes it's 1%, sometimes it's 2%, sometimes it's 5%, depending on generosity of the store. And it doesn't take any additional space in your wallet. Nope. It's in your phone. Actually, I just opened it and it shows me like 50 different countries with their names and pictures of their flag. You see? And if you open a country, like my country is Canada, it's the very first one in the list. I open it. And then I see many, many stores in there with how much of cashback they give. And also, the second number is how many shopping points you get from every purchase in those stores. So on the one hand, you have money that comes back to you. On the other hand, you have shopping points that you can use for your future travel and rest in very nice hotels. How about this deal? Take the decision. Click the link under this video and go download the app. I will show you on the screen. The app is called Cashback app, available with iPhones, with Android. You install it, then you register, and you're set to go. Every purchase you make in stores you are already visiting, with the view of having good rest in nice hotels. What a bargain. How much are you willing to pay for such an application? I make you pay 0. Don't pay anything. Just enjoy. And come back to my website to enjoy what Geyman's family is doing at geymans.com. Have a good day.